Hi there, Serial Trader here. I'm going to just do a quick check-in on Bitcoin as I think we're right at this point where buying looks like a really good idea, and I've been doing some buying today. Now from the very top, again, I haven't done that larger video yet where I go into this longer term situation, but I can skip that for now. I'm more focused here on this shorter term action at the moment, and so from our recent all-time high, just under 65K there, we got a nice clear pattern, a clear corrective pattern now. 5 down for A, 3 up for B, 5 down for C. So just a simple ABC zigzag. We are at or near AC equality here, which on Bitfinex happens to come in at 41,872. We're at the bottom end of this parallel trend channel. We have a clean 5 down within wave C. And if I go on the 4-hour chart, even within wave 5 of C, we can also count 5 non-overlapping subdivisions. And let me just go through that. It's a little messy on the shorter time frames, but 4-hour or above, it's looking pretty clear here. And let me just get this degree like so. And yes, there you go. So within our clean 5 down for C, looking at this final 5th wave, we do have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 non-overlapping sequence to finish that final 5th of C. So we are, in my estimation, at or near, the bottom of this corrective pattern. So I am certainly buying today. Obviously, if you want to play it safe, you'd be waiting. Let me just get rid of those smaller subdivisions. If you really wanted to play it safe, you'd wait for the big reaction. So if I go back in on the 4-hour, you would wait for, a big reaction like this, 5 up. Wait for your 3 down. Now I'm not waiting. To me, this is very attractive, so I'm not going to wait for that. Because sometimes you get that reaction and you never do get that nice retrace to let you back in. You might get a little bit of a retrace, but, not what you were hoping for, especially with such a oversold condition that we're currently in. If I go to the daily chart here, just look at the daily RSI. We're at under 30 currently, 28 and change. So nice and oversold on the daily. And on the 4-hour, we have a nice bullish divergence. So RSI is not as low as it was, even though price is lower. So bullish divergence there. I think on the hourly, same idea. You're making a bullish divergence on the hourly, lower lows in price, higher lows in RSI. So that combination of daily being oversold and the smaller time frames being divergent in a bullish manner, quite simply, this looks like a screaming buy, at least in the near term. Now, how this overall corrective zigzag pattern fits in this broader trend, is this just the first correction, like I said in that prior video? Is this just the first correction in a series that'll have multiple corrections of a larger pattern? I don't know that yet. No one does. But what I am very confident of is we will get some sort of significant reaction, some sort of at least tradable move higher off of this. And then if it looks like it's starting to stall out or falter, just get out. It's still a decent trade, right? Or if you're a longer term player, I think our eventual targets on Bitcoin are significantly higher than our recent $65,000 high. So it all depends what kind of player you're trying to be. But I think any player here, short term, medium term, long term, this just looks like a nice entry here. So just wanted to share that. Serial Trader signing off.